Warning: never eat this part of the chicken. The reason will leave you in shock. This story was sent by one of our followers, who will remain anonymous at her request. It is important for you to know that this is a real-life story, and listen to this video for more information on this warning. A friend of mine recently had a growth in her belly and underwent surgery to remove a cyst. The cyst removed was filled with dark blood. She thought she would recover after the surgery, but she was in very bad shape. He relapsed a few months after the surgery. He went to his gynecologist for a consultation. During her visit, the doctor asked her a question that baffled her. He asked her if she frequently ate the chicken wings, and she said yes, wondering how she knew about her eating habits. Many experts around the world claim that chickens are injected with steroids to accelerate their growth, so that the needs of this society can be met. This need is none other than the need for food. Chickens are injected with steroids into the neck or wings. Therefore, in these parts of the chickens there is the highest concentration of steroids. You should also know that these steroids have terrible effects on the body as they accelerate growth. It has an even more dangerous effect on women, because it causes changes in their hormones. This leads women to be more prone to growth cysts in the womb and in the breasts. For the consumption of chicken to cause any damage, it will depend on the amount, the way you prepare, and how often you eat. It is not the same to eat chicken or fried every day, that about twice a week chicken with vegetables or chicken broth. It is healthy. Thus, the possible side effects are directly related to the 3 factors described at the beginning. What are the effects of consuming a lot of chicken? Possible consequences of excessive chicken consumption: it can generate obesity and high cholesterol, fried chicken, breaded, milanesas, etc. Chickens can be fattened with hormones, and overeating can be harmful to health. You need the nutrients of other meats, not just chicken. It makes it boring. The chicken meat itself is not harmful, and in its measure constitutes a very healthy food. However, it is recommended to eat chicken meat 2 to 3 times a week, grilled, roasted, baked, in stock.